So if you are a freelancer, contractor, running an agency or any sort of businesses, this video is for you. By the way, I'm not well today, but still I'm just recording the video, just trying to maintain the consistency. My name is Vikas, I'm a freelancer and I've been running an agency called Autopilot Gig for last 6+ years that generates $200,000+ per year. So in this video, I'll be sharing one single thing that is going to matter the most if you really want to succeed as a freelancer, contractor, agency owner or any sort of businesses. This one thing going to matter the most and I'll talk about that only. So one thing I experienced in my freelance or running an agency journey that you need to show up every single day no matter what. Of course, if you really want to succeed. And in order to show up every single day, you got to be physically fit. So yes, your fitness is the one thing that really matters the most if you want to succeed as a freelancer, contractor, agency owner or running any sort of businesses. Your fitness that matters the most. Trust me, at least it matters the most to me at least. So mostly freelancers, contractor or remote worker work from home and gradually they put on weight or they face other physical issues. So it's very important that you need to give a time to your fitness, your physical health. If you're not physically sound, you cannot be mentally sound. And if you're not mentally sound, how could you give your best? And in order to succeed as a freelancer, contractor, agency owner, or running any sort of businesses, your fitness, your mental health are required. So this is my own experience. I've been doing freelancing only for last 6+ years and how important it is for me to stay fit, to show up every single day. And I understand sometimes we don't have any control, it just happens and I get it. But the only point I want to make here that you need to give a time to your physical health. Stay fit. It's not going to be easy because the nature of the work what we choose is tough. It's not easy to stay fit if you're working as a contractor, freelancer or remote worker. You need to give time. It's not going to be easy, but if you really want to be productive, focus to your work and you want to show up every single day, you need to give time to your health. It matters. It matters a lot. There are a number of competition when it comes to freelancing, contract job, right? If you're not showing up, if you're not there, somebody is there, right? Who will get the contract. And I understand, I'm not talking about some exceptions. So fitness is the one thing that for me at least matter the most. If I really want to succeed, if I really want to make next $1 million, my focus would be my fitness first because I know I need to fit enough to make more money. And what is the point of making money if you're not fit enough? So please give time to your fitness. It's going to be very helpful. It matters. It really matters the most. I hope it helps. Thank you.